journey of DEC problem solving. Today we will solve a binary program, that is the height of binary tree. There is a given tree and we have to find the height of the tree. The questions, the height of tree is defined as the number of edges on the longest path from the root to leaf node, as leaf node is node that doesn't have any children. Okay. Now this binary has been given. Now, first of all, let's demonstrate this. Then we'll write the code for it. Okay. Here are given some tree, and here we'll see the longest path of the tree. The longest path of the tree is the height. Height is nothing but the longest path of the tree is the height. Here, in the first examples, here is I have taken three examples. Okay. Now, here in this tree, first of all, we will check at the left side. At the left side, when it will be here, it will be null. Then it will be returned and check. This is the zero height. Again, it will be provided here. This will be provided 0, and here it will be provided 1. Again, it will be checked at the left side of the 3. Left of 3 is 4, and here is a 0. Again it will be checked here, that is null. Then it will be again return 0, and means here is a return list 1. Means the both this subtree height is 1. Okay. Now again it will be recheck, and here it will be provided the 2. Now the left subtree height is 2. Okay. Now again it will be check the right side, then it will be come right side here, and it will be check here null, there is nothing. Then it will be go on the left side, again it will be check, here is a 7, left side is nothing, here is a null, there is nothing. Okay. Now again it will be returned, here is just 7 and just 7. On the left sub part there is nothing, and on the right sub part is nothing. Then it will be returned something. Okay. Now it will be returned 1, 2 and 3, the longest part, that is, and it will be compared 2 and 3, which is the longest path, that is longest path is 3. In the first example, the longest path means the height of the tree is 3. Okay. Now in the second example, we can see the longest path of the height. We see that is the path 1, that is the another path. Okay. And that is the a path, but in the case that is the longest path 1, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is the longest path. Means in the tree, that is the longest path, means height 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, height is 5. Okay. Now let's consider this example. In this example, the longest path is, that is, okay, here is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and height of the tree is 4. But with understand here the what is the height, but how will solve it and how will find the longest path in the tree? Let's consider another example. Here the given tree, here is 12, 5, 7, 3, 2, 1, 10, and here is suppose 7, there is nothing, and there is also 7, and there is 4. Okay. Now we have to find the height, maximum height of the tree. Now first of all, will check on the left side of every node will go on the left side. Then the root left is 5 and 5 left is 3, 3 left is 7 and 7 left is 4 and 4 left is null. When it will be null, then it will be returned. Then what it will be written? It will be written 0. It will be nothing is written, but it will be written 0. And again it will be go on the right side. Then it will be check on the right side. There is a nothing. It will be null. Means here is a base leaf node. It is the leaf node. Then leaf node right sub and left subtract is null. Then again it will be written 0. And we'll be checking which is the longest 0 0, that nothing's. Again it will be written here something. Okay, now it will be go on the right side. There is a nothing, no anything. Now it will be written here is a 1. Okay, now again it will be go here. Again on the left side there is a nothing, null. Again it will be written 2. Okay, now again it will be go on the left side. Left side is something. Okay, now again it will be go on the left side here. Left side is what? Null. It's a leaf node. There is null, then it will be written 0. And also again go in the right side, then it will be null, means again it will be 0, and here it will be produce 1. Here is a 1 2 and it is a 3. In this side, in the left side, the height of the software is 3 and here is the 1. The maximum of this 3 and 1, which is maximum? Maximum is 3. Now it will be written over here 3. Okay, now we have calculated the left side, left subtree, but we have another part of the right subtree. Okay, now again it will be go on the right side. Here the right side go first the left side, then left side. Again it will go left side. Here left side is it's a leaf node. Leaf node. Then it will be written 0. Again it will be check here. Go. Then here is a leaf node. Nothing's on the right side. Then it will be here is a height 1. Again it will be go here. Then it will be check here. The right something is on the right side part something. Now again it will be check on the left side. Left side is nothing. Again it will be written 0. Again it will be go on the right side. Then there is a nothing. Now it will be also produce 0. Now 0 and 0 here. Then it will be return what? Here it will be written 1. Okay, now here is a 2 and here is a 1. Then maximum, sorry, it's the okay, it's a yeah here 2 height. Then which is the maximum? Maximum is 2 and 1. There is a 2 maximum. Now it will be here 2 and here is a 3 and here is a 3 2. Then which is the maximum? In the 2 and 3, maximum is 3. Maximum is 3 and plus the root node. Maximum, in the maximum added 1 root node, then we can find the height of the tree. Now check its height of the maximum 1 2 3 1 4, and that is the 4. It's a simple code, just a simple code. Within 3 and 4 line we can solve it, and I will show you. But this is the main logic how we'll to solve this. Now let's code for this. First of all, in the recursion function, base case is mandatory. Now when we have to return, when root is equal to null ptr. Okay, now return 0. Now also its case, if node of left is equal to 0 and node of right is equal to also 0. Then return also 0. Okay. Now int uh, length 1 and call on the left part. Then node left. Okay. Now length 2 and call again on the right side. Okay. Now return max of length 1 and length 2 plus 1. Okay, that is enough. Now compile this. Let's run. Okay, root. Oh, oh, that is not root. It's the it is the node. Okay, now again. Now check it. Okay, now submit it. Okay, all the test kit has been passed and all testing is passed. Now in the next video we'll solve the another problem. Now thank you for the watching video.